Balu and Thiran were studying in the same class. One day, since Balu was not paying attention in class, the teacher punished him through Thiran. Feeling humiliated by the teacher's punishment, Balu did an action with the intention of getting back at him. The teacher narrowly escaped from the action Balu had done. In anger, the teacher looked at all the students and said that if the person who made the mistake came forward and admitted it, he would forgive them. However, since the person who made the mistake did not come forward to admit it, the teacher continued with the lesson. Thus, when the class for the day was over and all the students were on their way home, Balu and Thiran walked together. At that time, Balu did not say anything to Thiran. After walking a short distance, Thiran asked, "Tell me, Balu, did you put small glass marbles under the foot mat?" "Me? Why would I do something like that?" said Balu, shaking his head. "Don't act so innocent. I definitely know. You are the one who did it," Thiran said firmly. Balu stared at him. "Do not provoke my anger, Thiran. You are deliberately putting the blame on me. If you misjudge me one more time, I won't stay quiet," Balu said angrily. Thiran placed his hand on Balu's shoulder with friendship. "Balu, I am speaking to you as a friend. A mistake is something done unknowingly, while a wrong is something done knowingly. A person who makes a mistake should try to correct it, and a person who does wrong should feel regret, as our elders have said. Our sir also said, whoever has committed this mistake, if they admit their guilt, I will forgive them. However, he added, if I find out on my own, I will give punishment. That's why I am saying this. You unknowingly did something wrong. Therefore, if you admit the truth, there's high chance sir will forgive you. A lot of people in this world make mistakes because no one notices them. But surely someone will see the mistakes one makes." While Balu and Thiran were talking and walking, a merchant was selling vegetables from a basket on the roadside. Some people were standing around the vegetable basket and buying from him. While the merchant was busily selling his goods, a person who was standing nearby and buying, thinking that no one was watching, secretly stole the money from the merchant's money bag without his knowledge. An elder saw this from a short distance. Immediately, he rushed over, grabbed the person's hand with the money, and said, "He has stolen this money from the merchant." The people present there caught him, beat him, and punished him. Balu was stunned upon seeing this scene. You see, Balu, the thug dared to steal thinking that no one was paying attention to him. But the truth is, that elder had seen everything. In the same way, many people make mistakes thinking that no one is paying attention to them. But he ended by saying that, for sure, someone is always watching all the mistakes. Upon hearing this, Balu's face showed various expressions of confusion. At that moment, they were nearby. The cleaning staff member who worked at the school arrived on his bicycle and got off. He looked at Balu. Then he said, "Brother, I know it was you who placed the small glass marbles under the footmat." No, it wasn't me," Balu replied, nervously. "Brother, don't lie. When you came to school on before school time in the morning, I became suspicious. Then, you went back home. After a little while, you came back to school as if you were coming for the first time. Therefore, as soon as I saw the small glass marbles under the footmat yesterday, I would have told the teacher the truth about you entering the classroom when no one was around. Be thankful that I didn't tell the teacher, otherwise he would have severely punished you. You go and admit the truth to the teacher. The teacher will definitely forgive you." Balu's eyes were filled with tears. Balu realized that in this world, someone is always watching every mistake that everyone makes. The next day, Balu arrived early at school and waited for the math teacher's arrival. As soon as the teacher entered, he went straight to him and said, "Sir, yesterday, I deliberately put the small glass marbles under the footmat with the plan to make you fall down." At that moment, his eyes were filled with tears. The teacher gently patted Balu, who had realized his mistake, to comfort him. Balu, since you admitted your mistake, I have forgiven you. From now on, don't make such mistakes again. One should correct mistakes when they are still small. Otherwise, it will affect the lives of those who make mistakes in the future, he said. Balu confidently told the teacher that he would not make mistakes again. Then, he happily went to study his lesson.